Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Bilal and you are watching Bilal Mobiles RYK YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to reset iPhone without data loss. So guys, if you want to reset your iPhone without data losing, keep watching the video until the end and follow all steps. Two ways to reset your iPhone without losing any data and without computer. Number one is tap on the settings. Tap on general, little bit scroll up, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset, reset all settings, enter your iPhone passcode, reset all settings. Are you sure you want to continue? This will reset all settings. No data or media will be deleted. Reset your iPhone settings. When iPhone setting is completely restored, your data is not losing. Number second is hard reset your iPhone. Press the volume up button, press the volume down button and press the power button until you see Apple logo appears on screen. Wait 5 to 10 seconds. When you see Apple logo appears on screen, simply release the power button and wait 10 to 20 seconds. When iPhone is completely turned on and rebooted, hard reset your iPhone successfully without losing any data. Wait 5 to 10 seconds. You can see appears on screen. Apple logo is here. You can see, wait more 5 to 10 seconds. iPhone is completely hard reset without losing any data. That's it. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to reset iPhone without data loss. Two ways. If video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more informative tech videos. Thanks for watching.